You are going to love the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.